When I was a young man growing up on the top of the Himalayas doing a sound check.
Vegetarians are no good out here. I need something more real. What are you doing? I'm not based on any sort of a stereotype. What?
Obi-Wan Kenobi. It's me, Cat Bane. I have a big blue head. People who didn't watch the cartoon show don't know who I am or how good this impression is.
I have spoken. Over that hill you will find the way to the path of the child, and I will escort you there. I have spoken.
I don't know what the fuck that one was.
Watch yourself. I'm wanted on 12 systems. That was no good. Hold on.
The Jedi Knights were guardians of peace and justice in the Old Republic, before the Dark Times, before the Empire. Darth Vader, who was a pupil of mine before he turned to evil, helped the Empire hunt down and destroy the Jedi. He betrayed and murdered your father. Sort of. Hello there. Anakin, please put your pants back on.
Begun. The Clone Wars have. Oh, Charlotte, no.
I'm tired. I'm just a simple man making my way through the galaxy. He's no good to me dead. Yeah, that was okay. That was alright. Hold on.
It will be difficult to secure your release. Patience, Viceroy, patience, she will die.
Chancellor Palpatine, Sith Lords are our speciality. You underestimate me, power. No, I love you, Anakin. I love you. Who am I forgetting? Who else? Obi-Wan.
Kenobi! Kenobi!
Fucking, I don't know.
Oh, remember the snake, the snake.
I don't know. Somebody else. Oh.
Master Yoda, you survived. Now you'll experience the full power of the dark side of the Force.
Use the Force, Luke. Use the Force. The Force will be with you, always. Not one sequel impression, because fuck them.